Today, I will be showing you a very exciting journey of how I manage my money with binary options. There is a very simple strategy which I follow. I have noted that particular binary options trading strategy over here or here. I'll put it over here as a link and you can watch it, and the link will be in the description as well. I use a very simple strategy to manage my money with the binary options. That's called as Martingale system, and that used to be used by the gamblers. But today I'll be using it for binary options. I've tweaked it and I'll show you how. Okay, now the trading starts. This will be live trading, which I'll be doing. This is a 9-step strategy. So for the first 3 candles, if there is a trend evolved and the fourth one actually breaks the trend, that is when I actually follow my own trading strategy, that is a trend break, trend follow method. So once this 3 candle trend actually breaks, it may not be just 3 candles, it may be 4 candles, 9 candles, whatever it is. It has to be the same colored candles. That is, if it is red, it has to be continuously red. If it is green, it has to be continuously green. And 3 candles is minimum to form a trend according to me. So this is my trading strategy. So 3 candles should follow, a fourth candle should break it, and next the candle which actually follows that, for the 9 candles after that, we will take a long call. If it is a negative trend and broken by a positive candle, then for the 9 candles we will take a positive, that is a call. We will take a higher bet for the next 9 candles to show that there will be at least one candle which will be in positive after there is a trend break. So 9 candles will be our bets, what we'll be placing. Our bets will be starting from $1, 2.5, 6, 15, 35, 88, 219, 548, and 1370. These will be the investment which I'll be using. However, as of now, I'm only following the 9 candle break as of now. So if at all there is a 10th candle which I have to take a bet on, I'll lose it all. Basically, that's about it. But anyways, going back to my backtested days, I have backtested this for almost about 2 years completely in order to see that there is no 10th candle which actually follows. So once a trend is broken, at least in the first 9 candles, there will be one candle which will be positive or a negative if it is broken by the positive candle or a negative candle. Okay, so let me show you how it is traded. So let's go back and backtest it. So 3 candles, there is a trend which is formed, there is a positive trend, and a red breaks it. Next we will take a put. So that put will be a red candle which is closing. So this will be a positive, this will be a gain for us. So a binary will be taking a put over here and it closes in red, so it is a positive for us. We make a profit on this. So there is a trend which is evolved here, a red candle actually evolves here. So for the next 9 candles we will take a red bet. So this one opened and closed at as a doji, so we'll gain nothing out of it. A red here and a red here, a red here, fourth candle. So fifth candle we have a red. So according to my chart, fifth candle we would have bet $35 and we would have made a profit of okay, so with 83%, I am actually calculating 83% as the profit today because this is the profit which they are giving today. So 83% profit, we will have made $29 as profit. So the profit what we will have earned with betting $35 is $4.55. For every bet there will be 2.5 times increase in the investment value. So the first bet will be $1, second will be 2.5, third will be 6, 15, 35, 88, 219, 548, and 1370. So if I lose the last bet, that is the 9th trade, then I will be losing it all. So that's about it. So as of now, I have never faced this issue, but anyways, I may face this issue. You have to take very good care of your money management as well. So having said that, as of now, there is a trend which is actually formed. There's a red trend which has actually formed here. So if it actually breaks, then I will show you my way of trading this particular binary options. So as of now, it is 15. So we'll have to wait until it actually crosses. Patience is the virtue when we are actually trading binary options, so we'll have to wait. If it closes in green, we'll take a call. So that's my strategy. For the next 9 candles, we'll take calls if it closes in positive or green. Oh my god, this is very okay. So I have taken a call as of now. So my next bet would be 2.5. So I'll have to wait until it crosses 31 seconds, and then I'll have to click the new options, else that also will give a plus sign. If I actually win in this and it closes in positive, I'll not have to take another bet with $2.5 investment. So let's wait. Okay, so I'll anyways be ready with my investment of 2.5. The first will be $1, second will be 2.5. so for the next 9 candles we'll take a positive call. So as of now, let us see if it actually closes in positive. If it does not, then I'll have to take the call again. Okay, seems like I'm winning this. I won. Okay, so I'll not have to take this. Now I'll have to close that window, change it back to 1 again, and then wait for the next trend to be formed as of now. So this is how we actually trade. A trend has formed here as red, followed by green, which has broken the trend. For the next 9 candles, we'll trade for a green candle. So for the next 9 candles, we'll trade positive, that is call. So here I have taken a call and I have ended in red. I have lost my investment, that is $1. Here I have increased it by 2.5 times, that is $2.5, and I have won over here. If I actually win $2.5 bet, then I'll be making 1.075 as profit with 83% as profit. Okay, this is it. If you are looking to understand the Martingale strategy, then watch this video. I'll have you guided through each and every step of the Martingale strategy in this video. And what is trend break and trend follow method? Follow this strategy where I have given you each and every information about trend break and trend follow method. Watch these 2 strategies and my backtesting in this video, and you will get a lot of information about binary trading. I am not a genius trading binary options, turning $1 into $5,000, but I have a great return on investment. I can easily double my investment if I trade for just 4 hours a day. That's the greatness of binary options. I'll see you, Dr. Ashok, in all these 4 videos.